Hello, this is Dustin with Home Mender, and today we ran into an access panel where there shouldn't be an access panel. It's hideous, and I want to get rid of it. I'm going to show you how. Let's get to it. We're going to cut here and around the panel. There was a plumbing repair in here. Four giant screws like that must be hiding something good. My trusty Superbar. So inside we have the old cast iron pipe at the top and bottom, so it looks like they've replaced this midsection here with PVC and tied them in with band clamps. It's unfortunate the clean out is on this side. It looks like this clean out here is exactly where my backsplash for my granite is gonna be. That's not good. You can't cover up a clean out. Because both of these are tied in with band clamps, we should be able to loosen these, the top and the bottom band clamp, and spin this around. I have another access panel on the other side. You can see the plywood through it right here. So here's another access panel on the other side. So somebody just did the job and kind of said, ugh. But because I don't want the clean out on my kitchen side, I'm gonna turn it around to this side. I mean, it's gonna be a much neater access panel than it would be in there and having to cut the granite or move the pipe. So this is probably our most cost efficient, best looking solution. I'm gonna pull this access panel off too, because we're just gonna take care of this. This is a monstrosity. And we also have this annoying ticking coming from up above when the hall bath sink is run. I hear a tick, 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 tick. It's super annoying, and I'm sure it has something to do with this repair. We're gonna take a look at that while we're here. Yeah, there we go. So what we'll do here is just loosen these band clamps and turn the pipe all the way around. So then I can put just a tiny access panel, a little 6-inch access panel right here, and we can paint it the same color as the wall. So that's gonna be our best solution. My goodness, it's got 4 clamps on each joint. That's heavy duty. Once these guys start to move, I know I'll be ready to turn the PVC. I didn't have to loosen these two, but I think it's gonna help because sometimes these get seized after they've been together for a while. Sweet, this is working out way better than I expected. Okay, turned really easy, but I can't get to the nuts to tighten the band clamps down on the other side because the stud's in the way. So either I have to cut that out to tighten them, which might be a decent solution. All right, so I need the clamps in the position that they're in so I can get to them and tighten them down, but I need to spin the PVC white part. So I'm gonna tighten these top two, tighten the bottom two, and then loosen the one securing the PVC, and hopefully I can turn that in place. Oh, you got a little bit of drippage here. All right, I'm gonna turn this around to where it goes so I can do my access panel out the front, and I'm gonna secure these guys back down as to prevent leaks, etc. Go, little last bit of water squeezes out as we tighten down the clamp. I think we gotta go run a test. 7, 27 and 5. 7 inches, tape. $27 and 5. All right, I got windows everywhere, so the lighting is terrible. I'm gonna use these furring strips so I can have something to secure my drywall to. but I'm not gonna set them flush with the stud because this is like 1 inch thick and my drywall is a 1/2 inch thick. I'm gonna set it out to about this area, leaving only a 1/2 inch to accommodate the new drywall. And I'm gonna double up this area because the tape almost doesn't cover. Got my 5-minute mud. Cover all the tape. And I would just try to stick in one motion. If you're gonna do up and down, do all up and down. Hopefully I have enough mud for this. There you go. If you need to get it in there with a weird pattern, however you need to fill the area, but then do your final swoop down on your first coat. Nice and gentle. You don't have to apply too much pressure. You're just trying to cover all the tape and not leave giant dimples. Take off all the excess on the outside. That's a good first coat. All right, we got our second coat of green top here. You're just gonna wanna take your knife and knock down any protruding little tracks or anything that's going to interfere with a nice smooth knife. Got my green top, and I'm just gonna go nice, smooth all the way down. And notice I'm taking the repair out further than I did the last time on the first coat. You take it a little bit farther down, you take it a little bit farther out, and try to feather out what you have so it's not noticeable. Okay, that's a pretty good second coat. I do have some tracks and I can see this little heavy line right there that I could tell that the wall is not completely flush. So this is gonna need a third coat. So that's it. I'm gonna save you the third coat. If you need a third coat, go ahead and put it on. Be proud of what you do. And remember, you don't have to live in an access panel filled world. We know how to do it now. You just take it out, put the drywall in, seal it up, and you're good to go. So from the Home Mender, I'm Dustin. I hope you learned something today, and if you did, don't forget to click subscribe. Thanks for watching.